Did you catch the Spain vs Germany match last night? What a spectacle.
Absolutely. That game was a tactical masterclass. Luis Enrique's tiki-taka style clashing with Nagelsmann's high-pressing approach was fascinating.
True. Gavi and Pedri were pulling the strings in midfield. Their ball retention and quick 1-2 passes were sublime.
Yeah, but don't forget Kimmich's lung-busting runs from deep. He was everywhere on the pitch.
Speaking of omnipresent players, how about Mbappé in France's game against the Netherlands? His hat-trick was sensational.
His pace is unreal. The Dutch defense couldn't handle him. Van Dijk looked like he was running through treacle trying to catch up.
Yeah, true. But the Dutch weren't all bad. Frenkie de Jong's distribution from deep was top-notch.
Agreed. By the way, what did you make of that controversial VAR decision in the England vs Italy match?
Oh, that was a tough call. Saka was clearly fouled in the box, but the referee waved play on. The VAR review took ages.
I think they got it right in the end. That penalty changed the complexion of the game. Kane's composure from the spot was impressive as always.
Remember to subscribe to our channel for daily lessons and contents. Also hit that like button please. It means a lot to me.
Definitely. How about Portugal's performance? Cristiano Ronaldo might be in his twilight years, but he's still banging in the goals.
He's a goal-scoring machine. But I was more impressed with Bruno Fernandes' playmaking. His through balls were splitting defenses like a hot knife through butter.
True. On another note, how about the underdogs? North Macedonia gave Belgium a real scare.
They did. Their compact, low-block defense frustrated De Bruyne and Lukaku for long periods. It was classic park the bus tactics.
And what about the goalkeepers? Donnarumma's penalty save against Austria was world-class.
Absolutely. His positioning and reflexes were spot on. But for me, the standout keeper has been Unai Simon. His sweeper keeper style suits Spain's high defensive line perfectly.
Good point. Any predictions for the knockout stages?
It's tough to call, but I reckon we might see a dark horse like Denmark or Croatia make a deep run. Their team cohesion is impressive.
Interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing how the tactical battles unfold in the quarterfinals. The margins are so fine at this level.
Absolutely. May the best team win, and let's hope for more football drama in the coming weeks.
That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for your support. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss new daily lessons. If it was helpful, drop a like, comment your thoughts and recommendations. These could be useful as well. Until tomorrow, stay safe.